Thank you, Farhan. Thank you for all the presenters today. Thanks for everyone participating. I can see that almost everyone lasted until the end, which is great. I consider this as a success for us. Some few things you've heard today, starting from the individual solutions, sort of revealing the bits and pieces of the resolved solution, then the practical implementation of the whole solution, and then the customer insights from a very innovative DSO point of view. We are proud to collaborate with. I hope this provided you a small glimpse on what we've been doing for the past few years and what we aim now to really demonstrate in a real pilot. Few comments, few requests from my side. Please continue the collaboration with us. First thing, please answer the post event survey, which the link has been shared in the chat, and you will also receive it in an email later on, as well as information on how to get access to all the presentations you have seen today. In addition, for the future collaboration, for you to have the, let's say, first seat in hearing how well we succeed actually, and what we're going to do next, and maybe to even discuss with you how we can collaborate further. Please click on the link you can find from chat to join our stakeholder innovation group, or feel free to contact me or any of us for further collaboration within the resolved consortium, because as we all know, the world is not solved in one project. There will always be more issues to solve, more issues to work on, and we are eager to continue the successful work we've done together, and find new collaboration potential. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining today. And also from my side, I wish you a very great day ahead. And please follow us on the social media channels as well. So we will be sharing more information in the next future. So all the very best for your events and your possible collaborations. And we will see you next time very soon. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.